How to make and create onboarding notes document on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Docs. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple, just follow with me. First thing, go click on template gallery and scroll down, and you will find the onboarding notes right here. Click on it and it will take you directly to this page, and right here you can edit everything. You can edit, for example, this, add the name of your company. Actually it's so easy to edit and nothing hard here. And after you finish editing the informations, go here, click on share, and it's gonna be saved. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.